Hello friends, I'm Amoghvarsh Nesari and in the last video we had studied about endocrine glands and about pituitary glands. As we have studied pituitary gland, we will study today is about the thyroid gland. Now, when I take the name of thyroid gland, the first thing everyone remembers is thyroxine, because the thyroid gland that is situated here, that is secreting the thyroid or thyroxine. Now this is our thyroid gland. Now this thyroid gland is controlled by TSH that we have studied in the last video, that is thyroid stimulating hormone. Now this is trachea. This is also known as windpipe, and this is the thyroid cartilage, and these are nodules. So we will study about the thyroid gland. Now what does thyroid gland do? The thyroid gland is located in the at the bottom of the base of the neck, and it is controlling the growth of metabolism of the body and is responsible for that. And iodine is required for the synthesis of this hormone. Therefore, in the case of deficiency of iodine in the body, the production of thyroxine becomes less, and in that situation what happens is a hypothyroidism takes place. What is hypothyroidism? Now hypothyroidism is responsible for a disease called goiter. So it's important that iodine, if iodine is less, we suffer from hyperthyroidism. So hyperthyroidism is responsible for goiter. Now what happens in goiter? In goiter we have a swollen neck, so that is known as a goiter. That person suffering from goiter has a swollen neck. Now the next thing we will study is adrenal glands. Now the adrenal glands. Friends, let me ask you a question. Where is the adrenal gland situated? Yeah, of course, on the kidney. So first let me draw a kidney. Is the kidney is something like bean shaped here. Okay. Now the adrenal glands are something situated on the top of the kidney, like this. Now these kidneys, this adrenal glands are situated on the top of the kidneys and secretes the adrenaline. The adrenal glands secrete adrenaline. Now the hormone is also known as emergency hormone. They are also known as emergency hormone. Now this emergency hormone, in this name we find its work, because it prepares the body for conditions of emergencies or stress. Now under conditions like danger, anger, and So friends, in this name we find its work. What does the adrenal gland or adrenaline do? Now, the emergency hormones are known for its name because it prepares the body for the conditions in the emergency, like stress like conditions, or under conditions like danger, anger, and also emotional outbursts. The secretion of adrenaline increases at this time. So when we have any emergency, when we get any surprises, shocks, the adrenaline secretion is increased. So this is very important for control, keeping our body normal. So this prepares the body to encounter the situation. Encounter the situation by increasing the heartbeat and blood pressure levels, so that the glucose and oxygen required for its oxidation can really make it readily make it available, and to produce more energy and encounter this emergency. Now this is simple to understand. Adrenal gland, now let's recap. Adrenal gland that is secreting adrenaline, and this adrenaline is known for emergency hormone, and this emergency hormone is responsible for increasing heartbeat and blood pressure. Because to encounter that situation, and this in turn gives us more energy and glucose and energy, it's same, that is glucose, to encounter situations. Now friends, let's learn about the next gland, that is pancreas. Now friends, all this is pancreas, and this pancreas is very interesting gland because it is both endocrine and exocrine gland. Now let me tell one thing about this is this pancreas secretes insulin. This is responsible for the controlling of blood sugar level, that is BSL. And if there is deficiency of this hormone in the body, the blood sugar level rises, and there is a condition of diabetes. So we have to control this blood sugar. Now this insulin is responsible for diabetes. Actually, I want to tell you. So the next one is gonads. Gonads are very simple reproductive organs of both male and female. Now besides these glands, the sex organs like ovaries, so his ovaries are something like this. Now these ovaries that are responsible for producing eggs, that they release the hormone called progesterone and estrogen. This estrogen and progesterone are responsible for sexual characteristics of female. For female. And the testis is responsible for male characteristics. Is testis, and testis that secretes testosterone, only one. Only one hormone is secreted from testis and the two from ovary. So this not only bring up about the development of mammary glands but also maturation in the womb in the females. So thank you for viewing this video. This was something about endocrine glands. All the endocrine glands are explained in this video. These all are basic for the 8th grade. So thank you, and the other video of pituitary gland is here. You can go and view it.